CompTIA A Plus Core 1 Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 3.2. Summarize basic cable types and their connectors, features, and purposes. Peripheral cables. As a starting point in the field of information technology, understanding peripheral cables is fundamental to your grasp of hardware components and their connectivity. So let's dive in. Peripheral cables serve as the vital links between various devices and your computer. They enable the transmission of data, power, and signals, facilitating seamless communication and functionality. These cables come in different types, each tailored to specific purposes and technologies. One of the most well-known peripheral cables is the USB. USB, short for Universal Serial Bus, is a standard interface used for connecting peripherals to computers and other devices, and this cable type has revolutionized connectivity since its inception in 1996. They facilitate data transfer, power supply, and device connectivity. With USB cables, you can transfer files, connect peripherals like keyboards and printers, or charge your devices. USB cables have undergone significant evolution since their introduction with USB version 1.0. Initially, USB 1.0 provided modest data transfer speeds, reaching up to 12 megabits per second, suitable for basic peripherals. However, with the demand for faster and more efficient connectivity, USB 2.0 emerged, representing a significant advancement. USB 2.0 brought about notable improvements in data transfer rates, offering speeds of up to 480 megabits per second, making it the preferred choice for connecting peripherals like keyboards, mice, and printers to your computer. This upgrade allowed for smoother and more responsive interaction with these essential devices, enhancing overall user experience. As technology continued to advance, the need for even faster data transfer became apparent. Enter USB 3.0, a groundbreaking development in USB technology. USB 3.0 cables, easily distinguishable by their blue connectors, revolutionized data transfer with substantially increased speeds compared to their predecessors. These cables are designed to handle high-bandwidth applications, offering speeds of 5 gigabits per second or more, depending on the 3.0 version, making them ideal for connecting high-speed devices such as external data drives and high-definition webcams. With USB 3.0, users can transfer large files and multimedia content swiftly and efficiently, without experiencing bottlenecks or slowdowns. This enhanced performance has transformed how we interact with peripheral devices, providing seamless access to vast amounts of data and multimedia content. Transitioning from USB cables, another type of peripheral cable is the serial cable. A serial cable is a type of connection used for serial transmission of data between devices. Although less common in contemporary computing environments, it maintains relevance for specific applications where its unique characteristics are advantageous. Serial cables are recognized for their method of serial data transmission, which involves sending data one bit at a time over a single wire or pair of wires, in contrast to parallel transmission used in interfaces like USB. While serial transmission generally results in lower data transfer speeds compared to USB, it offers advantages in certain scenarios such as long-distance communication and simplicity of implementation. Now, let's shift our focus to yet another remarkable peripheral cable technology, Thunderbolt. Thunderbolt is a high-speed peripheral standard that enables rapid data transfer and versatile connectivity. This cable standard was developed by Intel in collaboration with Apple. Thunderbolt enables blazing fast data transfer rates and supports a wide array of peripherals, including displays and storage devices. One of the defining features of Thunderbolt is its ability to handle multiple types of data streams simultaneously, making it ideal for demanding applications that require high bandwidth. At its core, a Thunderbolt cable is a high-performance connection solution designed to deliver unparalleled speed and flexibility. It combines data transfer, video output, network connectivity, and power delivery into a single compact cable, streamlining connectivity for users. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.